If you've been struggling to draw flowers, then you come to the right class. I designed this class to teach you how to draw the most common flower shapes step by step. Whether you are a beginner or a more experienced artist, maybe trying drawing flowers for the first time, in this class I will show you how to approach drawing flowers from the basic shape all the way to the finished flowers. And I will show you how to draw the flowers from different angles as well. Hi, I'm Katia. I'm an artist and online teacher, and I'm based in Sicily, Italy. So let's have a look at what you will learn in this class. I will start by giving you an introduction on flower shapes. Then we will start with the simplest shape, the plate-shaped flowers, and we will draw them viewed from different angles. Then we will go on to draw funnel-shaped flowers, bell-shaped flowers, cup-shaped, and urn-shaped. I will show you pictures of real flowers as examples for each flower we will draw. As a bonus, I have included cheat sheets for each flower shape, a flower shape template, and there is a video where I show you how to make the 3D shapes, and photos of different flowers for you to use as practice. This class is for you if you are struggling to draw flowers in a more realistic way. By the end of the class, you will have learned a simple method to draw flowers, and you can apply this skill to draw different types of flowers and maybe even a composition, and then paint it and make a nice print or a card. So if you're ready, let's get started.